People are feared dead in Ethiopia in a stampede during an anti-government protest. Opposition leaders say protesters died after the police fired bullets and tear gas into the crowd. It's thought 2 million people were attending the festival and protests in the town of Bishoftu in the Oromian region. Joining us now on the phone from Addis Ababa is our producer, Ifdadhabeee. Ifdadhabeee, just take us through what happened.
Yeah, today is the Oromo Irrecha celebration. It's annual Thanksgiving Day for these people. But the celebration is turned into violence when the protesters start chanting anti-government slogans. And the police use tear gas. After that, the people especially ran away from different directions, and they trapped, and most of them fall down in different places. That's why many of the people are dead.
Do you get the feeling that the authorities were able to cope with this when it began? It looks like a scene of near chaos.
Yeah, the thing started early in the morning. You know, over 1 million people were there, and they were chanting different slogans, anti-government slogans, and it stayed for an hour. And then after people tried to take some stage, and the police start using a tear gas and some fires on the sky, and then the people start dispersing, and it ended up like for days of many of the people there.
We're looking at some pictures now of people obviously in the aftermath of the trouble. They look stunned, shocked and surprised. We're looking now at pictures of people, I think, protesting before the trouble began. Do the authorities now have to answer some serious questions as to why this happened and how they handled it?
Yeah, it looks like it's quite difficult for the government security personnel to handle the situation. There was over 1 million people there, and it was out of their control. And it looks like it's out of their control. They couldn't handle the thing. This much people there, and they were chanting, they were showing slogans, and their hands were there like Olympic athletes. So.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Ifdadhabeee, our producer in Addis, thank you very much.